Good evening, ma'am. I am Ayush, a member of hashtag PR and Web Committee of SIBM Hyderabad. Welcome to SIBM Hyderabad, ma'am. I would like to ask you a few questions. Shall we proceed, ma'am?
Please go ahead.
So, ma'am, like you mentioned, you have faced so many education challenges in your earlier life, and with being provided with so limited opportunities, how did you motivate yourself to keep going forward and look for positivity out of it, ma'am?
See, first of all, we cannot say the opportunities are limited. There are so many opportunities, but we don't actually look beyond it. We only see a few things which is around us and which is affecting us, and we conclude that these are the only opportunities we have. And we just drop everything down and thinking that, we can't go further. But I think that's not the right way of approaching life. Life is very big, and we should not be confining our efforts to only a few things. But if there are certain things which are not working out for us, I think we have to just keep them aside and look beyond and go further and keep exploring. Like how Amit sir was telling, we are all explorers, keep exploring, and the life will unfold very beautifully to you and with so many opportunities. And there'll be a day that you will have more choices to pick and choose what you want. So we should not limit ourselves saying that lesser opportunities.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was wonderful. Now, I would like to ask you one more question. What advices would you like to give to the MBA students so that they can pick strong conflict management skills so that would help them for their corporate life?
I just, from my experience, I can tell that you have to look at life as a very big opportunity and think life as very precious. And once you start giving that importance to life, that this is the best life I have, and I'm going to make the best out of it, and probably that starts giving you a lot of energy and a different perspective and value to your life. So we should give very important thing is life for you. And second thing is I'm a very big propagator of communication, and for me communication is very important. Communication doesn't mean having an excellent language skills, but people sometimes think that communication is talking to the second or third person, but the communication starts within yourself. We hardly communicate to ourselves and find out what we want, what we are, and what we are capable of. So once we start communicating to ourselves and finding out what our heart says and what we are capable of, and then probably communicating to any other person other than us will become very easy. And once we establish that communication channel, there will be a lot of clarity and there will be a lot of courage, and I think there will be continuity in life.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the valuable insights. I think it will be a great learning for one and all. Have a nice